Hello everyone! Entrepreneurs, in this video we will elaborate in 2 minutes your own logo or your brand so you can offer your products or service on social network. Subscribe and follow us on Learning TV. We will be uploading tutorials to help you. We also have our Facebook page Learning TV. Let's start! This page is called Crello. It's totally free. You just have to register your email. For example, here we will choose a design for Facebook, but you can do it for Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. We choose this design. Preferably take the ones that have the word free rating. Those of the diamond in a corner have a cost. They are pro design. Now you can change the color where it says fill. There is also a color palette. We added the text. I decided to put my brand as an example. We put a different font with shadow so that it stands out. I also recommend you put your data, a cell number and name of your company business. This will help you to find more potential customers. If you want to give moment to an image that illustrated, at the top where it says animate, you can choose the style. And ready, you already have something to offer your customer, your footprint, your stamp, your own brand made by yourself. Remember to follow us on our channel for more tutorials and don't forget to subscribe. See you!